don't see that move every day.
You can see the pain shoot through this superstar's body off that slam.
Boy, I've never seen him do that before.
What do you think's going through Curtis Axel's mind?
Well, I can tell you this. If this match lasts as long as his 2015 Royal Rumble appearance, I'm demanding overtime pay.
This has all the ingredients of an epic night, and I expect this match to live up to its billing and then some. You know, we've talked about Curtis Axel's incredible family history in this business, so it makes complete sense that he's powerful, tough as nails, ruthless, and skilled on the mat. Well, and dare I say, perfect when it comes to stuffing that WWE rulebook right through a paper shredder.
Oh, what a brutal shot.
I don't remember the last time he executed that maneuver.
Oh, sledgehammer to the ribs. He may have broken his ribs. He's in full-on attack mode now.
Who would do this? Who would do this to another man?
Curtis Axel's strength and ring savvy makes him a nightmare to compete against. Axel possesses great lateral movement and is not afraid to leave his feet to inflict pain on an opponent. Curtis will push his opposition right over the limit and pull out all the stops to score a victory.
Well, Curtis Axel has had some great,
Ridiculous maneuver by Curtis Axel.
This is insane. Does this building have a curfew? I feel like we might be here all night. What a beating.
Woo, a little showboating going on here.
How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal. Just when he thinks he's going the one way, his opponent takes him another. Going right now, Curtis Axel is visibly bleeding. Oh no, there he goes again.
And it looks like this one's going out to the floor.
I don't mind. Let's see a little outside the ring action.
That's a first. What a move. Definitely sets a tone for the evening.
I like it.
What type of competitor is favored when you step outside the ropes, King?
Well, in my opinion, the more vicious, the more destructive person that's willing to do absolutely anything to hurt his opponent, regardless of the consequences, he has the advantage.
He's certainly showing us something new. Will it be? This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects.
I believe that is the first time tonight we've seen that move.
How will these guys do with absorbing the punishment they're about to receive out here?
Curtis Axel gets rocked. Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King, but I still don't see him giving up. Dodges to the side of that one.
Curtis Axel reverses it. Curtis Axel is definitely injured. We can see blood now.
Just making his presence felt there.
Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake, one moment of hesitation, and you could find yourself in a world of hurt. If he keeps up this pace, this could turn real ugly real fast.
It looks like we're going to see what kind of pain they can inflict out here on the floor.
He was one step ahead on that one.
Oh, his body has to be broken right now. He's pulling out all the stops tonight. Oh, a reversal. Oh. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
Taking on some moderate offense here. Going to need to start playing a little better defense.
He almost took his head off with that lariat.
When this guy's on, look out. You're watching Raw, the longest running weekly episodic television program in history. People have been wanting to see these guys go at it for a long time, and by the sound of this crowd, I think they're getting what they wanted. With action like this, it's no wonder Raw has been around as long as it has.
What a move!
This match has been awesome. Well, this might be the worst yet.
You're watching Raw, the longest running weekly episodic television program in history.
He's looking to put his opponent away right here. Rolling neck breaker. You gotta be kidding me. What a...
Curtis Axel going for the cut. And a kick out, much to nobody's surprise.
Right, this guy's resilient. He's not even beat down yet. He's showing the heart of a warrior here tonight.
The tension, the drama. This is electric.
Look at the back of my arms, Cole. Look at the goosebumps. I love this.
Curtis Axel is showing us that trademark confidence of his.
Somehow, he's kicked it into another gear here tonight.
Taking a bit of a beating so far, but nothing that can't be overcome. I just can't get over the physicality of this match. This has been brutal.
Brutal and very, very painful for these guys.
Oh, this isn't good. And it's just getting worse. I wonder if